Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were discussing quiz yourself from our GK syllabus. So in the today's session, I'm going to start with the next topic, that is quiz yourself 2 from the unit number 9. So all of you kindly open your books at at page number 51, that is quiz yourself 2. Okay, so I'm just writing the topic. First of all, I'm just writing the topic on the board, that is unit 9. The topic is quiz yourself 2. Okay, so this is the topic. So if we let's begin with the question. Okay, so this is given at page number 51. Okay, the topic is given at page number 51. So the first question is, when was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? So सबसे पहले योगा डे जो है, okay, so you know you are already doing yoga on the earlier we were doing it daily, but now we are doing yoga 2 days a week, that is on Wednesday and the Friday. Okay, so आपको याद होगा that this yoga was started on I think 7th or 8th of June. Okay, so we have started, and after that we had continued it to some months, and now due to some problem, now we are doing it just 2 days a week. Okay, so have you ever thought about it, then when was this yoga was introduced? So देखिए, in India the yoga was introduced by Baba Ramdev only, but the first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. तो सबसे पहला इंटरनेशनल योगा डे कब सेलिब्रेट किया गया था? इट वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 21st June 2015 एंड टिल देन इट इज़ कंटिन्यूइंग टिल नाउ. ओके, तब से आज तक ही कंटिन्यू चल रहा है. सो द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल योगा डे वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 21st June 2015 and now okay, so now every year 21st June we celebrate the yoga day as well. So when was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? The answer is 21st June 2015. So first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. Now let's begin with the second question. The second question is, in which state were the 36th National Games held in 2016? So 2016 में जो 36 नेशनल गेम्स हुई थी वो कौन से स्टेट में हुई? So in which state of India 36 national games were held in the year 2016? So 36th national games in India was held in Goa. So it was organized in Goa. Okay, so answer for the second one is Goa. Write down the answer, that is Goa. G-O-A, that is Goa. Okay, so 36 national games were held in the year 2016 in Goa. Next, moving to the third one, the people of which country speak Sinhalese? The people of which country speak Sinhalese? So Sinhalese is the language of which country? This is the language of Sri Lanka. Okay, just in India there are many languages that are being spoken in our country, like English, Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, and lots of languages are there. Okay, but the mother tongue is Hindi. The mother tongue of our country is Hindi. Okay, Similarly, every country has their mother tongue. So what is the mother tongue of Sri Lanka? That that is Sinhalese. The question was, okay, so the question can be asked in reverse as well. What is the mother tongue of Sri Lanka? You'll write down Sinhalese. But here in the book, the question is given, the people of which country speak Sinhalese? The answer is Sri Lanka. So write down the answer for the third one. That is Sri Lanka. Srilanka. That is Sri Lanka. So Sri Lankan people, they speak Sinhalese. Moving next to the fourth one. Which Indian Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Okay, so which Indian Prime Minister launched this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by the current Prime Minister of our country. He is none other than Narendra Modi. Okay, so to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan है बेटा, it was started by the Prime Minister of our country. He is Narendra Modi. Okay, and it was started by him years back. Okay, बहुत साल पहले इनका शुरू किया गया था, but now they are still in. Okay, so on 2nd October every year. Okay, that is the Gandhi Jayanti, that is a national holiday or the national festival on this day. Okay, so basically this is the day for Swachh Bharat, on which date was started. I think in about 2010 or 11 it was started. Okay, but now not 2000, I think 14 or 15. Okay, I don't know the exact year. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started by the current Prime Minister of our country. He is none other than Narendra Modi. So the question was, which Indian Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? The answer is Narendra Modi. Write down the answer. That is Narendra Modi. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth is, who wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird? Okay, so the To Kill a Mockingbird book was written by Harper Lee. To Kill a Mockingbird जो book है बेटा, उनके writer का नाम, who is the author of the book To Kill a Mockingbird? So the answer is Harper Lee. So the answer for the fifth one is Harper, Harper, Harper Lee, Lee. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is, who invented the television? So television किसने invent किया था? Who invented television? So television was invented by J.L. Baird. So television was invented by J.L. Baird. So write down the answer. Who invented television? The answer is J.L. Baird. B-A-I-R-D. Who invented the television? The answer is J.L. Baird. Moving next to the question number 7. The question number 7 is, which religion is Lord Mahavir associated with? So जो महावीर हैं, भगवान जो Lord महावीर हैं, और उनका महावीर आप बोलते, but it is महावीर. So Lord Mahavir is associated with which religion? So Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism. जो जैन धर्म, okay, वो उनसे associated. So Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism. So the answer for the question number 7 is Jainism. So Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism. Jainism. Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism. Moving next to the 8th one. The 8th is, Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site? So जो Mark Zuckerberg है बेटा, he is the founder of which popular social networking site? So Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook. So Facebook is a social networking site through which you can connect with your friends, those who are living in the other other corner of the world, okay, you can connect to them socially. You can see their pictures, you can chat with them, you can video call them. Okay, so all these are the features of this Facebook, and there are certain other features also. So who is the founder of this social networking site that is known as Facebook? So the answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site? The answer is Facebook. The answer is Facebook. Clear? Moving next to the ninth one. Okay, so that I'll write down now. Let's begin with the ninth one. The ninth is, if Sahil is older than Ali and Ali is older than Tashi and Tashi is younger than Sahil, who is the oldest? Now they have given a question that is a reasoning question. So there are three children we are talking about. The first is the Sahil, second is Ali, and the third is Tashi. The question is, if Sahil is older than Ali, if Sahil is older than Ali, so Sahil Ali से बड़ा, okay, Sahil is older than Ali, and Ali is older than Tashi. Ali जो है वो Tashi से बड़ा है. Tashi is also, तो Tashi और Ali से छोटा है. Sahil is older than Ali and Ali is older than Tashi. Next question is, and Tashi is younger than Sahil. मतलब Tashi है वो Sahil से छोटा है. So Tashi is younger than Sahil. Yes, that is also, it already भी दिख रहा है. Now the question is, who is the oldest? इसमें तीनों में सबसे बड़ा कौन है? Okay, if Tashi is younger than Ali, so that means definitely he will be younger than the Sahil as well. So who among these three is the oldest? So among these three, who is the oldest? The answer is Sahil. So Sahil is the oldest of. तीनों में कौन बड़ा है सबसे? Sahil. So write down the answer. That is Sahil. Moving next to the 10th one. What is the capital of Pakistan? Pakistan की capital क्या है? So the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. What is the capital of Pakistan? The capital of Pakistan, our neighboring country, is Islamabad. Okay, so what is the capital of India? Capital of India is New Delhi. Similarly, every country has a capital. So similarly, what is the capital of Pakistan? The answer is Islamabad. Islamabad. That is Islamabad. So what is the capital of Pakistan? The answer is Islamabad. Done? Check. Moving next to question number 11. What is the hardest substance in our body? हमारी body में सबसे hardest substance कौन सा है? So which is the hardest substance, or what is the hardest substance in our body? So the hardest substance in the human body is tooth enamel. Okay? अगर आप अखरोट खाते तो आप कैसे तोड़ते हो उसको? यहाँ पे रख के तोड़ते हो. Okay, so this is the hardest substance in a human body. ये जो हमारी enamels होते हैं, मेरा gums होते हैं. Okay? So this is the hardest substance in a human body. So the question is, what is the hardest substance in our body? So tooth enamel is the hardest substance in a human body. Write down the answer. The answer is tooth enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. Tooth enamel. So tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. Okay. Moving next to the 12th one. The question number 12 is, which Indian language is spelled as a palindrome in English? Okay, so you know there are certain different languages that are being spoken in our country, but there are various state languages. In Punjab, the Punjabi is there. In Maharashtra Marathi is there, Bengal में Bengali, okay, and certain there are southern languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, okay. So these are all the languages that are being spoken all over India. So they, okay, every state they have their own mother tongue, or you can say state language. But one of the language that of India is known as the palindrome in English. ओके, तो हमारे भारत की एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसको इंग्लिश में पैलिंड्रोम को कहा जाता है. सो देयर इज अ लैंग्वेज which Indian language is spelled as palindrome in English. So the answer for this is Malayalam. So Malayalam is known as palindrome. उसको palindrome कहा जाता है इंग्लिश में. Okay, so which Indian language is spelled as a palindrome in English? So the answer is Malayalam. Write down the spelling. Malayalam. Okay, so Malayalam is termed as a palindrome or spelled as palindrome in English. Next, question number 13 is there. The question number 13 is, which sports is the Indian Super League associated with? So Indian Super League is associated with which sports? So Indian Super League is associated with football. Indian Super League is associated with football. Okay, Indian Premier League is different, Indian Super League is different. So Indian Premier League is associated with cricket, whereas Indian Super League is associated with football. Okay, so Indian Super League just like Indian Premier League में there are different teams from the different states are being made and corners and they play a match. Okay, different other players are also come together of different countries and they play together. Similarly, Indian Super League इसमें भी ऐसे ही होता है, just like the IPL. So ISL is also same. Okay, in this the various teams, the various state teams they play against each other like a league. Okay, so what that is the sports. Okay, so ISL or the Indian Super League is associated with football. So the answer for the question number 13 is football. FOOTBALL. That is football. Moving next to the question number 14. Which planet comes between Mars and Saturn? So Mars और Saturn के बीच में कौन सा planet आता है? So you know there are 8 planets in our solar system. Earlier it was 9, but later on the Pluto has been considered as a star. So now it's not a planet anymore. So now we are having 8 planets in our solar system. So which planet comes between the Mars and the Saturn? So Mars और Saturn के बीच में जो planet आता है, what is the name of that planet? So the planet that comes between the Mars and the Saturn is known as Jupiter. Okay, the largest planet in the solar system. So Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and it comes between the Mars and the Saturn. The answer for this fourth one is Jupiter. Jupiter, that is Jupiter. Moving next to the 15th one. In which state of India will you find the Lake Pichola? Lake Pichola जो है बेटा वो कौन सी स्टेट में पाई जाती है? So Lake Pichola is found in Rajasthan. Lake Pichola is found in Rajasthan. So in which state of India will you find the Lake Pichola? So Lake Pichola is found in Rajasthan. Write down the answer. This is one of the lakes in Rajasthan. 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 Okay. So these are the answers from 1 to 15. The first is 21st to 2015. Then Goa, Sri Lanka, Narendra Modi, Hapali, Jailbird, Jainism, Facebook, Sahil, Islamabad, Tuthinamal, Malayalam, football, Jupiter and Rajasthan. Okay, so these are the answers from the page number 51. That is quiz yourself too. Okay, So with this we have completed the topic as well. So for today I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in the next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.